Imagine you're building a giant treasure library, but instead of books, it's filled with answers people are searching for. Now, in RAG, before your AI can give those answers, it first needs to collect treasures, the documents. From the ancient kingdom of PDFs where company reports or research papers are stored, from the busy marketplace of websites and blogs where new knowledge is being exchanged daily, from the hidden caves of databases and APIs where structured, private information is locked away. And even from the campfires of collaboration tools like Slack, Google Drive, or Notion, where teams whisper their knowledge. Once all these treasures are gathered, we don't just dump them in a pile. We organize and polish them into smaller chunks, so the AI can quickly find the exact gem you need. That's how RAG becomes powerful. It's not about the AI magically knowing everything, but about teaching it where to look and how to fetch knowledge from many worlds. In short, RAG is a treasure hunter that collects, organizes, and delivers the right document at the right moment, making your AI both wise and reliable.